Hi, I'm Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States, and today I'm here to share with you the unboxing for my second pre-order for the upcoming January to June Stampin' Up! Mini Catalog. So we're going to start with the products that I've purchased from the Love You Always suite. That comes with 2 stamp and die bundles. And the bundle that I chose is the Forever and Always stamp set. And then let's get these die names correctly. The Always dies. I like these because they've got some words and some flowers. And then the words are layered. So you've got the cutout words and then you've got a layer for them. And then some label or word dies for your stamping. Let me set those aside. I've also purchased some of the embellishments. Let's open up these matte black dots, which I think are just going to be great. Sometimes you want something that gives you a real accent on your piece that you're creating. I couldn't be happier to see that Heat and Stick is once more available. This is great for using with Versamark, and then you heat the Heat and Stick, and you can add glitter if you have it, but oh my goodness, the gilded leafing. Let's see if I can open this and not have it come out. I am so excited to use this on projects. Then we have these great Matchbox gift boxes. Let's open these up and show one to you. Let's see if I can get these out. And there we go. And these are called the Love You Always Treat Box. So we've got this great piece that slides over the gift box. You can see the size. Oops, see the size that it will create right here. You can, if you're looking, you can measure the number of boxes on the grid here to see the size. But this is a really nice weight. It's stampable, or add your designer paper, and super easy assembly, just folding up the score lines. No adhesive necessary. Then I've got, let's open this up. It is the Love You Always foil sheets. I love a bit of foil on my projects. And let's just lift those up a bit and let you see. And then I'm going to move them out of the way and grab the designer paper. So this is the True Love designer paper. And let's pull that out of here. I love a black and white designer paper. So we have the floral print, and on the back of that we have stripes. And another floral all over. And then on the back is a nice little kind of geometric. And another floral. Now remember, you can use these for a black and white with pop of color card. We have polka dots. And then these are a daisy-like flower and a diagonal stripe. And then these almost look like an anemone. Ooh, look at those, are cool with the diamonds. And then this almost looks more tropical to me. And a small little diamond pattern. So you can color these with your blends or with your watercolor pencils. or if you're coloring a smaller area, you could use your Stampin' Right markers or use the new blending brushes to blend ink on for an all-over color. So lots of possibilities with a black and white paper. Next, I've got the Love You Always Specialty Designer paper, which has all of this gorgeous foiling. So you get 4 sheets of each of the colors. And you'll have to look for my designer paper share that I'll be posting soon, so that you can get some of each of this to try out and see which one you like best. So let me grab my next group of projects. Next, we've got the Hydrangea Hill designer paper in these gorgeous patterns. Love the watercolory wash. These were all hand painted and then turned into okay, so there are 6 sides, and then this cute Springtime Joy stamp set. How can you resist this little lamb and cute bunny down here? Love those. And the pretty perennials. Great collaging stamp set here with some good sentiments for all kinds of just card making and coordinating dies. And they, of course, come as a bundle. Next, I've got this gorgeous pearl Essent paper. I don't know, I'm hoping you can see the shimmer because this is really stunning paper. And then we've got, in that same suite, the Sand and Sea designer paper. Let's show you both sides of each of these. Lots of gorgeous texture and color to work with. So use them for beachy creations or take them outside of that totally, because you've got the one very artistic side and then the side that looks more like the beach. Great colors there. And then in that same suite are the Opal Rounds. Let me find the opening here on this and pull them out so the plastic, can you see the little sparkle in these and a little bit of color going on. Got the Hey Girlfriend stamp set. Get ready to pull out your blends. I know I will be with this stamp set. And then I've got the Flowering Vine, the Vine Design stamp set, and then the Flowering Vine dies. And those Flowering Vine, I am so excited about these 3 dies for creating layers. Of course, it's always nice to be able to cut out some flowers to accent or have a new tag die. But these 3, oh my goodness, just wonderful. Okay, next I have the Snail Mail pieces from that suite. And that's the Snailed It stamp set. These little snails and the toadstools, so cute. And then the snail dies. So of course you can cut out these dies. Have one here for the speech bubble, some hearts, some of the toadstools, and then this little frame will be great for layering. Let's set that aside. And then, of course, I had to have the Snail Mail designer paper. And let's show you both sides. Happy and cheery. And this will be great for sending cards all season long, not just when I see hearts. Sometimes I think Valentine's Day, but I think this is well past Valentine's Day. It can be that, but it can be more. And finally, from that Snail Mail suite are the 2 rolls of baker's twine that come in a combo pack. They're an easy kind of must-have for easy accents on cards. And then the clever clasps. These come in gold and silver. And I thought they would be a fun way to add layers or tags to my projects. Let's set these aside. And I couldn't resist the Sweet Strawberry bundle, which comes with the stamp set. And then let's turn the builder punch over so you can see. You've got the strawberry, a leaf, the flower, and then the top of the strawberry. Those will be fun for creating projects as we move into spring and summer. And let's see, the ice cream corner designer paper. Beautiful colors. Lots of variation of pattern. Oops, the stripes there. So lots of fun to work with, whether you're doing ice cream or not. And the patterns are a great size for card making or scrapbooking. Don't forget my designer paper share. Details coming this week. And then here's a celebration pack of paper. Let me look at the name of that. It's Paper Blooms. Looks like Rococo Rose and Night of Navy. And 2 or 3 of the greens here. I'm going to have to check and see what they are. Of course, lots of colors cross-coordinate. And another designer paper pack is the Berry Delightful. And there's a stamp set that comes with this for a celebration product, Berry Blessings. And that, of course, coordinates with the Sweet Strawberry bundle. And we'll do the same flip here so that you can see all the sides of this pretty, pretty paper. Love these raspberries. They almost look like thistles. Aren't these gorgeous? Anyway, that's a free pack of paper and stamp set with a $100 product order during celebration. And then finally, the Approaching Perfection stamp set. Great for birthdays. Also a celebration product. Thanks for joining me today. You can be sure to check out my first class offering for the new year, which will be posted on December 26th. My paper share sign up will open on December 21st, which is Monday. You can find all the details for that, both of those on my blog, theartfulinker.com. Of course, you can shop in my Stampin' Up store anytime. Find links to those things below. If you have requested a catalog form from me, it is in the mail. And if you have not yet requested your catalog, use the link in the description below to do so. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you'd like to be notified the next time I upload a video. And have a great day. Bye.